Another epic journey. 2 sheep down. Greg got his ram just over there by below the snowpack there. And that was 2 days ago. Took it back to camp yesterday. Worked on the hide on the cape today. Cleaned up the meat, everything else. And while we're working on the cape, Greg of course picks up his binos and spots this ram 2 point, how far? 2
kilometers, 3.7.
3 kilometers away. We could tell he was a good ram from there, and we finished up our chores and decided to pack up our food and head up here. And it was a good decision because we didn't even get to where he was because he was already working his way towards us, and he was teamed up with another ram, and it all came together with a 100-yard shot. So another epic journey is coming to a close. We got a lot of work to do. But yeah, it's pretty incredible. Amazing place we have here.